these cars don't come with any type of sensor, so if you don't open any of the doors, nothing's going to happen. I'm going to go ahead and pound on the rim here real quick. You'll notice a countdown. The alarm will start. It's going to fire off in a second. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the alarm by hitting unlock on the remote control. Yeah, and that shuts it off. So that's basically what we end up doing. We end up adding the shock sensor to this Chevy Tahoe. It will protect all the windows. Any banging around the vehicle will fire off. So you don't have to install another alarm and have to carry another remote. The shock sensor add-on works great. I can upgrade your existing factory alarm without having to go out and get another alarm and have to carry another remote control. Not to mention that this whole thing has everything like to open the tailgate and all that stuff. You know, it's really nice just to have this and just walk up to the door and just open it. That kind of defeat the purpose if I have to install an alarm in here. I'm go ahead and bang on the glass. Same thing, fire off. Pretty much is bumper to bumper, the whole vehicle. Starts to count down and then it will fire off the alarm. I'm just going to turn it off real quick by hitting unlock. This is the shock sensor add-on of this 2017 Chevy Tahoe. Numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.